Hello, good morning everyone. In the last video, we have discussed about the bitwise operators. Okay, so the bitwise operators are bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise XOR operator. Okay, so all these three operators already we have discussed in the last video. Okay, so in this video we will discuss three more bitwise operator. Okay, so the first one is a bitwise complement. So complement means it exactly reverse the each bit of the integer number. Okay, if the bit is 1, then the inverse of that bit is 0. If the bit is 0, then the inverse or the complement of that bit is a 1. Okay, like that means it reverse or it complement or it inverse the each bit of the integer number. Okay, so here we will take one example 35. So 35 is a decimal number. Okay, so if you convert it into binary, then we will get 001000011. Okay, so these are the binary numbers. Okay, suppose if your computer is in 8 bit, that is the architecture of your computer is 8 bit, then you have to take 8 digits. Okay, so 35 is a decimal, and here the binary numbers are 001000011. Okay, next what we do, we just complement these bits. Okay, so here the operator of complement operation is a tilde. Okay, so tilde operator is used to complement the bitwise, right? So as we know, just it complement, it inverse the each bit. Okay, so 1 means 0, 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, so 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. So these are the complement binary bits of the decimal number 35. Okay, now if you again convert it into decimal, then you will get 220 as a decimal number. Okay, so 35 was the decimal, and after inverting, here you get a 220 as the decimal number. Okay, so this is about bitwise complement operation. Next, left shift operator and a right shift operator. Okay, so here left shift and right shift operator changes the contents of an input number. Okay, after shifting towards left or towards right, it changes the content of input number, means whatever the input number we read, so after shifting towards left or towards right, the input number will be changed. Okay, so here the general form or the syntax of a shift operator. The first one is a variable space shift operator NOB and a semicolon, where a variable is an any integer or a character type of a data element. So in a bitwise operator only you can use with a integer or a character, you cannot work with a float data type, right? So variable may be int or a character data type only. Shift operator, so shift operator it is any left shift or a right shift operator, right? So NOB means number of bits to be shifted, means how many bits you are going to shift towards left or towards right of the bit. Okay, so for example, A double greater than symbol 1, it means right shift by 1 bit. Okay, so A is right shift by 1. So second example, A double less than 2, it means left shift by 2 bits. Okay, so here A is left shifting by 2 bits. Okay, so now we will see the example, that is a pictorial representation of a bitwise left shifting. Okay, so here we will take one example, that is A is equal to 132. So it is a decimal number, 132 is a decimal number, and if you convert it into binary, then we have a 10000100. So these are the bits before left shifting of a bits. Okay, so before left shifting of a bits. Now as we know, when we are shifting the bits towards left or towards right, those empty places are filled with the 0 numbers, not with the 1. The empty places are filled with a 0. Okay, so before left shifting, those are the bits, and now we will left shift by 1 bit. Only one position we will shift towards left. Left means left to right. Right bit means right to left. Okay, so left. So in the place of 1, as we have a input number 1, okay, in the input values, okay, in that place we fill a 0. Okay, so if you fill 0 in the first position, then the remaining bits are shifted one by one, okay, until you will get the last digit. Okay, and whatever the last digit you have, that will be shifted. Okay, so after one bit shifted to the left, now we have a 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. So these are the bits after shifted to the left. Okay, and here you can observe. Okay, so 130 is the input value. Okay, after you left shift by one bit, the input value may be changed. Okay, now 0 1 2 3, 3 means 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 means 8. Okay, so the decimal value after shifted to the left, the value is 8. Okay, so the input value was 132, and after shifting to the left, the output value in decimal is 8. Okay, so this is a left shift bitwise operation. So here same thing, here also we have taken the A value is 132, and here we are shifting towards right. Okay, here also we are shifting one bit towards right. Right means right to left. Okay, right side to left side. Okay, so the before right shifting of bits, same thing as we have discussed in the last PPT. So here after left right shifting, so from right side put the place or fill the 0 into the first place. Okay, so if you fill the 0 into the first place, then all the bits are shifted towards right side. Okay, 0 sorry left to right and right to left. Okay, after right shifting to the one bit, then the as I told, the input value will be changed. Okay, so this is a right shifting of a bits. Okay, so the before it was 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0, and after right shifting 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, so this is a bitwise right shifting. Okay, so this is about bitwise operator. Okay, thank you.